shuffle my feet. You'll never get the best of me. Your sticks and your stones.
The next cocktail I'm going to show you is the Gin Collins. Now, Collins is a cocktail that is spirit, citrus, sugar, topped with carbonated water. The classic gin is the one I'm going to show you today. Let's go. Served in a Collins glass, tall. Going to fill it with fresh ice and leave it to the side. Small cocktail shaker. This is a shaken cocktail. We're going to add 2 ounces of gin. Going to add an ounce of lemon juice. We're going to squeeze that fresh. So with my hand citrus press, cut the lemon in half and just squeeze the fresh juice, measuring out an ounce. Add that to the cocktail. Ounce of simple syrup. And now we just want to shake that cocktail. Fill this with ice. Large shaker on top. Now we're going to give this a good shake, 5 to 8 seconds. Separate the shakers. Take our strainer, place that on top. Because it has the lemon pieces in there, we're just going to double strain into our Collins glass that has the fresh ice in it. Just going to top all its presentation. I'm just going to add a little bit more ice to my glass. Perfect. And now carbonated water. We have soda water. And we're just going to top the cocktail up, leaving a little gap with the soda water. One just nice little additional trick is just using your bar spoon. Is you can just give that an additional couple of stirs just to mix that soda water in. And for garnish, just simply a fresh lemon wheel. And that's just super simple Gin Collins, light, refreshing, great for a summer's day.
Put my head down, shuffle my feet. You'll never get the best of me. Your sticks and your stones.